Alright guys, it's veloster on 1020 coming back at you. That's actually my Instagram, to be honest with you. So I feel embarrassed because I started off this video like shit. But my YouTube channel basically veloster on one. Anyways, so I got coilovers now. I do have my aftermarket racing headers back on. I don't know if I said this already, but I have a short racing headphone changer race cat. And I also have a single exit exhaust. So my car is on the jack, so I'm going to show you. So there's the exhaust. I went with a Vibrant 4-inch tip. You can tell right there. And then there's right there, that right there. Look at that. That sucks. That's like, that's from hitting this. But here's the struts. These are all the way maxed up. Got those right there. Got those right there. Oh yeah, so here is the Shark Racing High Flow Chainsaw Race Cat. And then there's the headers. And then you got the front coilovers. Got that little paper right there. Take that off. So you got that right there. We're actually gonna lower the fronts in a little bit. So, yeah. And then you got this side. So yeah guys, that was just an update. Hope y'all guys like the video. Comment what you think. Comment if you have any questions about the coilovers. They're Rev9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers. I got them from Redline360.com. They're about almost 500 bucks. They ride pretty good. So I will say it doesn't come with instructions. So if you're willing to put them on, or have you and your buddies install them, then by all means go right ahead. Or if you want to have like a performance shop install them, then I'm saying go right ahead. But yeah, they ride pretty good, and I got new tires. Now those tires I went with crosswind all season tires because I'm on a budget. So, but yeah, peace out guys.